Hello, welcome RM Touch Network Consultants. In this video, I will show you how to make configuration dynamic routing protocols in FortiGate firewall using Chain 3, such like RIP, OSPF, and BGP. Dynamic routing protocols are essential for maintaining efficiency communication across network by automatically adjusting routes based on changing network conditions. FortiGate firewalls support key protocol such as RIP, Route Information Protocol, OSPF, Open Shortest Path First, and BGP Border Gateway Protocol, each suited for different network scenarios. RIP, a distant vector protocol that is easy to configure, making it suitable for smaller networks. It uses hop count as a metric with a maximum limit of 15 hops, which is ideal for basic routing scenarios. OSPF, a scalable link state protocol that efficiently manages larger and more complex networks. It employs the Dijkstra algorithm to calculate the shortest path and supports a hierarchical structure of areas, optimizing routing extensive environment. BGP, the core routing protocol of Internet, designed for exchanging routing information between different autonomous systems. BGP uses policies of metrics allowing for granular control and flexibility in routing decisions, making it perfect for large scalable deployments. Starting in our configuration, first we'll go and the firewall. Click save. Okay. First, we will make the configuration for the RIP and the next OSPF and the last BGP. So go to RIP and enter the IP net mask. The IP net mask is 41.141.1.0/24. It is 24. It is the IP address in between the FortiGate and the router. So, and click create interface, and the interface is a 1 port 1, and then click OK, OK, then click apply. Okay, let's make a configuration for the router. So right click the router and click console, enable configure router RIP version 2, and we will advertise this network and this network 41.1.0 network 41.141.2.0, and then end. Good. Now we finish for the configuration router RIP for the FortiGate and the router. So come the firewall and click the dashboard and go the routing monitor. Good. As you see in here, this one is the network that we advertise, and the type is a RIP. So in our next step, we will test the communication from the FortiGate into this network. So go to CLI, execute ping 41.141.2.1. Sorry, not .2.2, it's .2.1. Okay, execute ping 41.141.1.2.1. Yes, and also in FortiGate firewall can ping in this another network. So let's go close this one. In our next step, we will make the configuration for the OSPF. First, we will delete the RIP, click the RIP, and delete all this configuration. How to make the configuration for the router OSPF. Click delete and then click apply. So click the OSPF and enter the router ID. The router ID is 1.1.1.1 and create the area. Click 0 and click the network. Create the network. The area is area 0 and the network is 41.141.1.0/24 and the interface is a make name WAN is a port 1. It is this interface port 1 and then click OK and then click apply. OK, come the router, how to make the configuration for the OSPF. Right click the router, console, enable config router OSPF 1 router ID 2.2.2.2 and the network .1.0 and the wildcard mask 0.0.255 and the area is area 0. Network 41.141.2.0 0.0.0.255 area 0. Then click end. You see the adjustment. This one is the ID for the FortiGate. So come the firewall and go the dashboard and go the router monitor. Good. The type is the OSPF and the network is complete. So in our next step is the test communication OSPF. So go to CLI, execute ping 41.141.2.1. Yes, and also in our dynamic routing protocol OSPF, it can ping to each other. So come to last step for the BGP. First we will delete the OSPF. How to make the configuration for the BGP. Delete, delete, and then click and also delete and then click apply. Good. So go to BGP. The local AS is a 10. The router ID is 1.1.1.1 and create the neighbor. The neighbor is the IP address for the router of this interface. And it is 41 dot 141.1.1 and remote as 10. Click OK, and network is the 41.1.1.0/24, and then click OK. OK, let's go the router, how to make the configuration of BGP. Right click the router, click the console, enable config router, config terminal, router BGP 10, BGP router, BGP router ID is 2.2.2.2. Okay, neighbor is 41.141. Okay, .1.2, remote as 10, and the network is 41.1.1.0, and the mask is 255.255.255.0. You see the neighbor 41, and the network is 41.141.2.0, and the mask is 255.255.255.0, and then end. Good. Okay, come to FortiGate and go to dashboard and click the router monitor. As you see in our type is a BGP, and the network is okay, and we'll test the communication between the FortiGate and the next network. So execute ping 41.141.2.1. Yes, perfect. It means in our FortiGate firewall can ping in this network. So close. So thank you very much, and please subscribe and share, and we will see you in the next class.